Welcome back, everybody in the YouTube land. You know what time it is. That's right. It is time to watch yours favorite queen of skincare. My name is Miss Sassy Pants. Hey, and by the way, welcome to all of those that are new. I hope you enjoy my videos. You will see the lady. This is her channel. I am just her bitchy I just speak my mind. I'm her alter ego. Yeah, Sassy. So just sit down, shut up, grab a beer and some popcorn, I don't care, whatever, and just watch the damn video and don't interrupt me. Okay, all right, done with that. But okay, welcome. And welcome back, all of you that stuck around, didn't unsubscribe because you guys are so cool. I've got 2 Boxycharms. Okay, so what is this one? Oh no, that is not true. It's August. Damn, you guys, I haven't, that's right, I took August off. There's so many things going on. Okay, all right, let's do this. This is the Boxycharm Premium. You'll get a card inside. Look at me doing it all like I'm a professional. Shit, screw this. Okay, dusk till dawn. Okay, so that was August. Anyway, let's get through this. We don't give a shit. All right. Oh, look at the daughter-in-law already marked up the cards. She already knows what she wants. So as soon as I get done doing the video, unboxing it, taking everything out, showing you, then she comes shopping at Miss Lady's Beauty Shop. I think we're gonna call it Miss Lady's Skincare and Makeup Beauty Shop. Anyway, it's the ladies' Ulta. It is. That's what it's like. Okay, so here we go. This is from Ofra, you guys. This is the signature palettes. Symphony. Okay. Let's see what it looks like. How much is this? Holy crap, $34. Okay, well, you see. Okay, see? Those are beautiful colors. Holy shit. Those are gorgeous, right? Yes, they are. I wonder why she didn't put a protector on there. That just, you know, it just, I like it when they have a protector on there so they don't flake everywhere. But if I got one of these, it looks like the lady's daughter-in-law wants this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so anyway, $34. What's the next one? It's a Soleil. Oh my goodness, this is for your hair. Oh, this is a joke. You guys, there's no, we don't use these on our hair. No, how much is this thing? $150. This is going in a giveaway. That's crazy. We have several of these that we've received. No, we're not keeping this. This is a mini heat brush in apricot. Just so you know. This is gonna go in a giveaway. Yes, yes it is. You shut the hell up. You have no say in any of the giveaways. So you just sit there. $150. We're gonna let one of my fans win it. Just, Greg, you need to put some tape on her mouth. Okay, back to the program. Next one is all bubble wrap. Don't get me going. They really did put this thing all wrapped up because they usually leak. Okay, the next one is the Manua Milk Leave-In Conditioner from Playa. How much is this one? $22. I got a couple of these up there. Just give these ones away too. Yeah, I can see giveaways. I need another bucket. The other giveaway bucket's so full. It is. We need to I want to get back in my giveaway mode. Oh yes, I do. Okay, Alloway, this is a mascara. What's this? Your Way, Mellow Way. Your Way, Mellow. Okay. Your Way is super black is what it says. Is super black. Okay, let's open it. Oh, this looks like a Sharpie. It does. Don't tell me it doesn't, because it does. Greg, I'm telling you. Tell her, I'm going to make him staple your mouth. You shut the hell up. It's like a Sharpie, guys. Oh, that is super black. But the wand does all kinds of fancy flip-flops, like a ballerina. Like a gymnastic person. So you can do whatever you want. Okay, that one was $22. Complex sculpture. This one right here towards the end is $24, and it is a lipstick. But this is the one from Complex Sculpture. This is a lipstick. Oh my goodness, this is me. Oh yes, that is my color right there. That's for the lady. Yes. See, we know our colors. Oh, and it's magnetic. $24. And Tresloose liquid eyeshadows in Sapphire. I think we've already gotten these before. Many times. Like I said, I need a bucket. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. It's like shooting hoops. Oh my God, look at that color. You guys, look at that color. You can't see it, watch. There it is. Oh, that's crazy. Look. It's like shifty, right? Like October. That's everything, you guys. And this was 18. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. $16. Just a moment. Anyway, that's it. I got that eyeshadow, the lipstick. This funky mascara that does all kinds of tricks. This beautiful eyeshadow. This leave-in conditioner, it comes in bubble wrap. I like that they do that, you know. And then this thing, this brush, this heat brush is like, it's in the color apricot. Okay, so those will, you guys are going to be seeing those in giveaways coming up soon, you know. What's the damn total? Who cares? Where the hell is it going to be? She always goes, it's right there. That's where it's going to be. I should have used my middle. Okay, never mind. Okay, what was my 208? Do we care? No. That was the premium for August. That was the ladies. Now I'm going to take a break, okay, you guys, because I was going to do the second box, but I'm going to do that in another video because I started a movie on Netflix and it's going to start getting late, and I'll probably record the other one tomorrow after I've had a shower. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm so happy. I just want to record and unbox. That's all I want to do. She wants to do makeup videos. I'm like, let me just unbox all those damn boxes and give everything away. Shut your mouth. Don't say nothing. If she lets me give it away, I'll give it away. Okay. See you guys later. Bye. Peace.